I have no idea where to go. I think it's the skate. I'm just gonna go there and see if anyone yells at me. So today is all about doing things that I'm just kind of like freaked out about. I have to shoot a scene for a skit I'm doing that's in this abandoned factory. I'm really freaked out about going because that area is like known for rattlesnakes and like poisonous spiders, and I'm going alone. I think we're fine. There's this little house right here. Never mind, I guess the tiny house was the state park. I'm on this trail with all this sort of like, these little like snake holes in the ground. So I apparently missed the trail down. There are these little archways under the factory. I'm gonna shoot my skit before people come in here and stuff. Showtime. I saw some kid in there, so I hope I don't have to go down like this. Oh shit. That's totally the way in. Whoa. Sketchy ladder to the top.